Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today we will learn the past continuous tense in one shot with examples. I'm sure I know that this will be the best lesson for all of you because we are going to talk about the most useful tense in English. It will help you to speak fluently. So let's start. What is past continuous tense? Past continuous tense is the tense which tells about an action that was happening for some time in the past. It shows an action in progress in the past. It also shows about something that was happening when another action happened, or two actions happening at the same time. So let's learn the formula. Formula is when we have a subject, we add was, were, and not was, were together, but separately. Either was or were, depending on I, he, she, it. If it is I, he, she, it in a sentence, we'll use was. And if there is a sentence starting with you, we, and they, then we will use were. Correct. And subject was verb plus verb. Verb is always there in the sentence, which is an action. Verb will add ing to it to make it continuous tense. Let's learn some more examples. Action happening in the past. So I was reading a book yesterday shows I was doing something yesterday. Yesterday and was shows that we are talking about past tense. But when I add ing to reading, a read word, it becomes continuous tense. She was cooking dinner at 7 p.m. So she was the one which cooking dinner. So we have add was to it, ing to the verb, which makes past continuous tense. Let's talk about one action happening when another action happened. I was studying when the lights went off. जब लाइट्स चली गई तो मैं पढ़ रहा था जब तब लाइट्स चली गई. They were playing when it started raining. वो खेल रहे थे लेकिन तभी बारिश शुरू हो गई. Two actions happening at the same time. I was writing while my sister was drawing. They were singing while the teacher was listening. So these are the actions which will be described using, got it, using past continuous tense. Let's move to the next slide and let's see some more examples. Actions happening at this specific time in the past. अगर कोई time mention करना है तो you can do it. At 8 p.m. I was eating dinner. Then one action interrupted by another. I was bathing when the bell rang. So interruption हो जाता है तब भी हम इसको use करते हैं. Two continuous tense actions. I was writing and my sister was drawing. ये तो we have already discussed it. And sometimes if you have to talk about background actions, like the wind was blowing and the people were running. So these are the ways you can use past continuous tense. Let's see some examples. She was reading a book. They were playing a cricket. This is a simple past continuous tense line. These are the lines which show simple past continuous tense. Let's see when we add something else. Like I was studying when my mom called. मैं पढ़ रहा था जब मेरी मम्मा ने मुझे कॉल किया. The birds were singing while the sun was rising. So यहाँ पे दो actions हो रहे हैं. The birds were singing, sing कर रहे थे, और they were chirping while the sun was rising. जब sun rise हो रहा था. Now what common mistakes we do? I were playing cricket. I के साथ हमेशा was आता है. So we do not use were. I was playing cricket is the right sentence. She was cook dinner. Now when we are saying she was cook, वो क्या cook थी? Dinner. Wrong sentence. She was cooking dinner. They were shouting. वो चिल्ला रहे थे. होना चाहिए ना कि they was. They के साथ हमेशा were लगता है. Let's see some fill in the blanks. She dash dance when I called her. तो इसका आंसर होगा she was dancing when I called her. जब मैंने जो कॉल किया she was dancing. The girl dash play football. They dash play football in the park. They के साथ हमेशा were आता है. They were and action के साथ verb के साथ will add ing. तो they were playing football in the park. dash. I wore dash sleep at 10 p.m. yesterday. So I के साथ हमेशा यूज होता है was. So I was a verb है sleep. इसके साथ हम ing ऐड करेंगे to show continuous tense. So I was sleeping at 10 p.m. yesterday. We dash watch TV when mom came. Sentence will be we के साथ were आता है, was नहीं आता. We were, or watch is an action verb, so we will add ing. It will become we were watching TV when mom came. चलिए वर्कशीट और करते हैं. She sings a song. इसका सेंटेंस बनाएंगे. ये प्रेजेंट टेंस में है. She sings a song. एस लगा है तो प्रेजेंट टेंस है, सिंपल प्रेजेंट. इसको हमें पास्ट में कॉन्टिन्यूस में करना है. तो शी वॉज सिंगिंग अ सॉन्ग. दे प्ले क्रिकेट. वो क्रिकेट खेलते हैं. प्रेजेंट टेंस में है. दे के साथ प्ले आया है, एस नहीं लगता. दे प्ले क्रिकेट, सो दे वर प्लेइंग क्रिकेट. आई रीड अ बुक. ये भी प्रेजेंट टेंस में है, मैं किताब पढ़ता हूँ. इसे पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस में करने के लिए आई वॉज रीडिंग अ बुक. आई के साथ वॉज लग जाएगा और वर्ब में ing लग जाएगा. द बॉयज शाउट लाउडली. ये भी प्रेजेंट टेंस में है. इसको हमें पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस में करने के लिए वी विल ऐड द बॉयज वर, बिकॉज बहुत सारे हैं. शाउटिंग, शाउटिंग शाउट कर रहे हैं, वर्ब है, एक्शन वर्ब है, तो वी विल ऐड ing and the rest of the sentence will remain same. The boys were shouting loudly. We clean our rooms. हम अपना रूम साफ कर रहे हैं. So we were we के साथ were लगेगा. Action verb है clean, तो ing लगाएंगे. We were cleaning our room. So rest of the sentence same रहेगा, बस हम इसमें was और were ऐड करेंगे प्लस verb के अंदर ing ऐड करेंगे. Let's move to the next slide and see what is there. Wow, now you have to answer these questions. I am there to help you. So let's read them and find which one is the right answer. So the first one is I dash were or was writing a letter. I के साथ was आता है. So we will choose this one. This one is the right one. They were or was shouting. So they के साथ were आता है. This is right. Here I was and I. She was or were cooking. She के साथ हमेशा was आता है. We will use she was cooking. We was या were sleeping. Was we बहुत सारे हैं तो उसके साथ were आता है. We were sleeping. He was or were running fast. He is a singular. इसके साथ हम यूज़ करते हैं was. So ये हमारा past tense कवर हो गया है. हमने लर्न कर लिया है कि past continuous tense को दर्शाने के लिए हमें क्या यूज़ करना है. सब्जेक्ट के साथ was और verb, were और verb के साथ ing यूज़ करना है. So whenever we want to show something, किसके बारे में बात करेंगे? एक्शन हैपनिंग एट अ स्पेसिफिक टाइम इन द पास्ट, या एक्शन इंटरप्टेड बाय अनदर पर्सन, टू एक्शंस, कंटिन्यूस एक्शंस और बैकग्राउंड एक्शंस. जहाँ पे भी दो एक्शंस की, कपल ऑफ एक्शंस की बात हो रही है, वहाँ हम यूज़ करेंगे कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस की. वन एक्शन इंटरप्टेड बाय अनदर एक्शन. तो इनके लिए हम हमेशा पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस यूज़ करते हैं. Actions happening in the past, action happening when another action happened, and two actions happening at the same time. अगर ऐसी situation आती है तो we will always use past continuous tense. Well, my video ends here and I hope आपको ये video बहुत अच्छी लगी होगी because this will help you to improve your English grammar. Well, the video ends here and I will meet you another time with another video. Till then, bye and take care.